We've been tricked. Somewhere along the way, we were taught that purpose is something we must chase, a job title, a paycheck, a dream to achieve. But that's not purpose. That's performance. Here's the deeper truth. You are not a human looking for purpose. You are a soul remembering it. You didn't come here to climb ladders. You came here to come home. Come home to yourself. Your true purpose isn't out there in a job application or a 5-year plan. Your purpose is to wake up, to remember who you were before the world told you who to be, to quiet the chaos in your mind and return to the stillness of your spirit. The anxiety, it was taught. The self-doubt, it was learned. The inner war, it's not who you are. Want to find your purpose? Start unlearning. Strip away everything that isn't love, everything that isn't peace, everything that feels like noise. Because once you clear the clutter, you'll see. What you've been searching for was always inside you. Your purpose isn't to do more. Your purpose is to become more of who you truly are. And when you live from that place, everything else begins to flow. See your beauty within. Celebrate it. Share your inborn beauty with the world. The world needs you.